What is operating system? An operating system is a well-organized collection of programs that manages the computer hardware. The operating system is a very important part of almost every computer system. It is a type of system software that is responsible for the smooth functioning of the computer system. An operating system acts as an intermediary between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. The purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can execute programs in a convenient and efficient manner. Types of operating system: 1. Batch operating system. 2. Multi-programming operating system. 3. Time-sharing system. 4. Multiprocessor systems/parallel systems/tightly coupled systems. A. Symmetric multiprocessing. B. Asymmetric multiprocessing, master/slave processors. 5. Distributed system/loosely coupled systems. 6. Real-time systems. A. Hard real-time systems. B. Soft real-time systems. Batch operating system. Early computers were very expensive and it was important to maximize processor utilization. Therefore, the concept of batch OS was developed. This type of operating system does not interact with the computer directly. There is an operator which takes similar jobs having the same requirement and group them into batches. It is the responsibility of the operator to sort jobs with similar needs. Multiprogramming is an extension to batch processing where the CPU is always kept busy. A multiprogramming operating system refers to the concepts wherein two or more processes or programs activate simultaneously to execute the processes one after another by the same computer system. The multiprogramming operating system is sophisticated because the operating system makes decisions for the user. This is known as scheduling. If several jobs are ready to run at the same time, the system chooses one among them. This is known as CPU scheduling. Time-sharing system? It is the type of operating system that allows us to connect many people located at different locations to share and use a specific system at a single time. The technique is referred to as time-sharing, because processor time is shared among multiple users. The time-sharing system is also known as multi-user system/multitasking system. The CPU executes multiple jobs by switching among them. Time-sharing enables many people, located at various terminals, to use a particular computer system at the same time. Multiprocessor systems/parallel systems/tightly coupled systems? There are more than one processors present in the system which can execute more than one process at the same time. This will increase the throughput of the system. These systems have more than one processor in close communications, which share the computer bus, memory and peripheral devices. Types of multiprocessing systems. 1. Symmetric multiprocessing, SMP. Each processor runs an identical copy of the operating system and these copies communicate with one another as required. 2. Asymmetric multiprocessing, master/slave processors. Each processor is designed for a specific task. A master processor controls the system and schedules and allocates the work to the slave processors. Distributed system/loosely coupled systems? In contrast to tightly coupled systems, the processors do not share memory. Instead, each processor has its own local memory. Distributed systems depend on networking for their functionalities. The distributed operating system is not installed on a single machine, it is divided into parts, and these parts are loaded on different machines. 6. Real-time systems? Real-time system is used when there are rigid time requirements on the operation of a processor or flow of data. Sensors bring data to the computers. The computer analyzes data and adjusts controls to modify the sensor's inputs. System that controls scientific experiments, medical imaging systems, and some display systems are real-time systems. Real-time system is of two types such as 1. Hard real-time systems. It guarantees that the critical task has been completed on time. The sudden task takes place at a sudden instant of time. 2. Soft real-time systems. It is a less restrictive type of real-time system where a critical task gets priority over other tasks and retains that priority until it computes.